can see here in the left hand controller. First I'll explain these three, and first we have the environment. So if you press this, here you can see these are all the presets of different environments. For example, let's see the night sky. You can see this is the environment of where the night sky is. Also we have the space. Here you can see all the stars which are around me, and also we have some colorful ones, like for example this, which can be very helpful for your artwork, like how you want your artwork to feel, like the moods and all. Okay, so this is your environment. Next we have our lights. Okay, so with this panel we are able to change the direction of the lights. So here you can see the sphere, right? So here you have the moon and here we have the sun. So just point your right hand controller towards the sun and the moon, and you can see the pointer will basically get snapped here. After that you can just select with the right hand index trigger and you can move around like this. You can see how the sun is interacting with the shadow here. You can also change with the moon. Okay, so I'll just draw something and you can you will be able to see with a good example. Let me change the color to white. So this is a simple white surface, and you can see there are three options, right? So you can also change the color of the lights. So let me change the color of the overall canvas. Let's make it red. So here you can see everything is turning into red. Let's change the color of the sun. Let's make it blue. Let's make it yellow. Yeah, green, sorry. And let's make the moon blue. Okay, so now we'll change the direction. So I'll select the sun first. So yeah, sun is coming from your right hand side and the color of the moon is coming from your left hand side. See here, you can see the blue color. You can see a small tint of blue color here. Yeah, so this is your moon lighting. And this is your sun lighting, then this is your overall field color. Now you can see much better, right? So this is how you change the lights. So if you want to remove the panel again, you can just click it here. Okay, next we have the backdrop. So same. So if you want to select the panel, move the panel, you just have to take your right hand controller and touch with the tip of your controller like this. You can see it's getting highlighted, right? After that you can just press the grab trigger, same with how you navigate around. Just go. Now it's getting highlighted. Now see, you can grab it, so you can place it wherever you want. Okay, so this is your backdrop. With this you can change the color of the sky. So here we have this color. I'll click it. Now let's make it green. You can see it's turned into green. And let's take the secondary color. Let's make it blue. Yeah. So now you can also select this sphere and change it like this. Okay, now you can see it's giving you a very soft gradient between the green and blue, gradient transition basically. Okay, you also have this fog. So with this you can change the density of the fog of your ground. And lastly you have this panel at the bottom of your backdrop. So you can just select this, and also you can change the color. I'll change it to green like this. Okay, now I'll increase the density of the fog. See, so with this you are able to customize your own environment and make some interesting combinations with your artwork or sketches.